Hello students, this is Dr. Anand Pai, again back with problems on 1D motion, and as you know, we are starting with very basic questions which will help a beginner to start from the basics and get grip over the subject. So here we have a problem of toughness index 1 out of 10. So very easy one, right? So what is the question? A car accelerates at 1 meter per second square for 20 seconds. If the car starts from rest, what would be the distance traveled during this time? Now here always our rule is we will write all the equations of motion initially. So V is equal to U plus AT is the first equation. Second equation would be S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Third equation would be V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, right? Now what is given in this problem, let us see. Given here is acceleration which is equal to 1 meter per second square. Second is the time is given, 20 seconds would be the time is 20 seconds. If the car starts from rest, so if the car is starting from rest, so what is given here? U is given. What is asked? What is the distance traveled? So asked is what is the distance traveled? Yes. Right. So let us find it out which equation to apply. So we are going with very basic methodology. So here first equation let us see. V is not given, U is given, A is given, time is given. So what is it? You can solve this equation. So we'll get the velocity at the end of the time duration. But then is it what is asked? No. So let us take out this. Second one, S is what is asked, question mark, right? U is given, T is given, A is given, T square, T is given. So this is the suitable equation for us to solve. So let us choose that. So S is given as UT plus half AT square. Let us apply that. U is given as 0 into time, whatever the time is, it will go to 0, so we will not worry about it. Then we have half into acceleration is 1 into 20 square, which is 400, right? So when you apply that, you will get S is equal to 2 cancels here, you have 200, so it is 200 meters. So very easy problem. I hope you have got the answer right. Let us go for the next problem in the next video. Thank you.